If Photopea is feeling slow, laggy, or just frustrating to use, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Photopea less laggy with a few simple fixes that can make a huge difference. We'll go through browser acceleration, WebGL checks, extension issues, clearing memory, and even reducing document size so Photopea runs much smoother. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is make sure your browser is using hardware acceleration. This is one of the biggest reasons Photopea can feel slow, because without graphics acceleration, your browser has to work much harder to render the canvas. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Brave, open your browser settings. You can also type Chrome/settings system directly into the address bar to get there faster. Once you're in the system settings, look for the option that says Use graphics acceleration when available and make sure it is turned on. If it's already on, leave it enabled. If it was off, turn it on and then relaunch your browser so the change can take effect. This one step alone can improve Photopea performance a lot, especially on larger files. Next, you should check whether Photopea is actually using WebGL properly. Open Photopea, then go up to the top menu and click More, then PMark. This runs a speed test for your device and browser. If the result says WebGL 2.0 is disabled or unaccelerated, that means Photopea is not getting the GPU support it needs. In that case, the next best move is to update your graphics card drivers. Outdated drivers are a very common cause of lag, glitches, and slow canvas performance. After updating, restart your browser and test Photopea again to see if the speed improves. Now let's look at browser extensions because these can quietly cause a lot of slowdown. Heavy ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and some antivirus extensions can interfere with Photopea's canvas execution and make everything feel delayed. A very easy way to test this is to open Photopea in an incognito or private window. In Chrome or Edge, you can usually do this with Ctrl-Shift-N, and on Mac it's Command-Shift-N. Most extensions are disabled by default in private mode, so if Photopea suddenly feels much faster there, you've probably found the issue. At that point, go back to your regular browser window and disable extensions one by one until you find the one slowing things down. This takes a little time, but it's one of the best ways to isolate the problem. The next fix is clearing out old editing memory inside Photopea itself. Photopea stores your working history in active RAM, and over long editing sessions, that memory can build up and make the app feel more sluggish. To clean that up, open the history panel on the right side of the workspace. If you don't see it, go to Window and then History. Inside the history panel, look for the clear icon at the bottom. This may look like a trash can or broom depending on the interface. Clicking it will wipe the old undo cache without damaging your current canvas image. This is especially useful if you've been editing for a long time and notice Photopea starting to drag or freeze more often. Another important way to make Photopea faster is to reduce how many heavy layers and effects you're keeping active. If you finish tweaking a non-destructive effect like Gaussian blur or sharpen, consider rasterizing it once you're done. You can do this by right-clicking the layer and choosing Rasterize Layer Style, or the closest rasterize option available for your version of the layer effect. This converts the effect into simpler pixel data, which is easier for Photopea to handle. You can also merge completed layers together. For example, if you have a finished background group or multiple layers that no longer need to stay separate, select them and use Merge Layers or the shortcut Ctrl-E on Windows and Command-E on Mac. Fewer layers means less active processing, and that can make a noticeable difference in speed. Now let's talk about document size, because this is another major reason Photopea can lag. If you're working on a huge canvas like 8000 by 8000 pixels at 300 dpi, that is going to require a lot of memory and a lot of processing power. That may be fine for print work, but if you're making graphics for the web, you usually do not need a file that large. Go to Image, then Image Size, and downscale your document to something more web-friendly, like 1920 by 1080 pixels or 2048 by 2048 pixels at 72 dpi. Smaller dimensions mean less strain on your browser and a much smoother editing experience. Just make sure you only reduce the size if the final output is meant for digital use and not high-resolution printing. So if Photopea is lagging, remember the order. Turn on graphics acceleration, check WebGL with PMark, test in private browsing, disable problematic extensions, clear your history memory, rasterize or merge heavy layers, and reduce oversized documents when possible. These simple steps can turn a slow editing session into a much smoother workflow. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.